Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're checking out one of the most versatile kitchen machines available right now, the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer plus Rotisserie, Dehydrator, and Convection Oven. If you've been looking for a single countertop appliance that can replace multiple tools while keeping cooking simple, fast, and healthy, this 10-liter XL unit might be exactly what your kitchen needs. The first thing you'll notice is the large glass viewing window. It makes it so much easier to watch your food cook without opening the door and losing heat. The 17 touchscreen presets give you one-tap control for frying, roasting, baking, reheating, dehydrating, and full rotisserie cooking. Instead of guessing temperatures, the Chefman system automatically selects the right settings for whatever you're preparing. This is truly a multifunctional family-size unit. With 10 liters of space, you can roast a whole chicken, dehydrate batches of fruit, cook fries for the entire family, or bake multiple items at once. The convection heating circulates hot air evenly from all sides, producing crisp, golden, air-fried results with far less oil than traditional frying. The built-in rotisserie is a standout feature, perfect for whole chickens, kebabs, or anything that benefits from slow rotation and even browning. You also get dehydrating racks for making dried fruit, vegetables, jerky, and snacks right at home. The auto-shutoff feature adds peace of mind, making sure the unit turns off when cooking is complete. Cleanup is simple thanks to the removable drip tray and dishwasher-safe accessories. The modern black design looks clean and fits easily into almost any kitchen setup, whether you're cooking for yourself or preparing meals for the entire family. If you're looking for an appliance that combines air frying, baking, roasting, dehydrating, and rotisserie cooking in one large, easy-to-use machine, this is one of the most practical options you can buy today. If you want to get yours, the Amazon link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow GadgetVerse for daily product reviews.